This multi-stage filtration system ensures unparalleled purity. Microfilters remove even The de-aerated latex enters these sealed compounding tanks for precise formulation.
Ndoms. Optical sensors continuously scan the milky white latex for color and viscosity. The data must from the manifold, the natural translucent latex is precisely routed through the stainless steel network, heading towards the dipping lines for the next phase.
The glass formers are handled exclusively by robotic systems to prevent micro damage before they proceed to the dipping lines.
The glass formers undergo a rigorous, multi-stage sanitization process. High-pressure water and cleaning.
Monitored by advanced sensors, the drying tunnel uses warm, filtered air to prepare the formers for the next stage.
As the formers enter the beading station, rotating guides lift and fold the milky white latex, ensuring a The glass formers enter a fully enclosed third dipping tank. They are lowered slowly and rotated precisely for complete
Maintain the airflow at point 2.
Confirmed. Temperature gradient is stable across all zones.
The glass formers enter the curing oven, where the latex undergoes heat-induced polymerization. Precise
This fully automated process guarantees precise placement and product integrity, monitored by digital controls.
Precision robotic arms place the formers into sterile pouches. Automated heat sealing bars then activate with sensors.
The bulk containers are lined with sterile trays, meticulously verified by the team before automated loading. Sensors continuously track alignment and fill levels, with digital readouts confirming the precision of the automated process.
Optical scanners and infrared sensors meticulously check for imperfections.
At the automated export labeling station, each container receives detailed labels. High-resolution scanners.
Utilizing high-resolution optical scanners and RFID tracking, every container undergoes rigorous.
Even in the shipping preparation area, these export containers are stored under the same strictly controlled, sterile conditions as every prior manufacturing stage. In the shipment preparation area, AGVs methodically load the climate-controlled trucks, ensuring precise spacing and complete batch tracking. All batch records confirmed.
Seals are verified. We are cleared for departure.
All All production metrics and batch records are automatically stored in secure, redundant servers. Automated systems ensure every surface is sterilized using high-pressure solutions and filtered air, maintaining our ISO cleanroom standards.
To maintain the highest standards, all reusable equipment undergoes sterilization in these autoclaves.
To maintain our sterile environment, all machinery undergoes rigorous preventative maintenance, with every hingers. The production parameters are verified using laser-guided measurement tools. Any deviation triggers an...
The glass formers rotate slowly through the dipping vats. Precision nozzles then apply the raised dot texture.
Optical sensors meticulously scan the texture, ensuring every product meets the highest medical-grade standards before moving to the next stage.
The robotic arms utilize soft-touch grippers to gently peel the cured, dotted latex from the glass formers.
Rolled condoms. The rolled condoms proceed along sterile conveyors into the high-speed optical inspection stations.
The automated bulk packaging machine precisely counts and stacks the individually wrapped products. Optical
High-resolution cameras and laser sensors scan the condoms for wall thickness and uniformity.
The climate-controlled storage racks hold millions of units, moved exclusively by automated guided vehicles, ensuring sterility and precision.
Laser sensors precisely measure the wall thickness, rib height, and tip integrity of every ribbed condom before automated removal.
High-resolution cameras and laser scanners meticulously check rib uniformity and wall thickness. High-speed automation precisely seals the ribbed, milky white latex in sterile foil. Optical scanners
The automated bulk packaging machines precisely fill cartons with the individually wrapped products. High-speed.
The process begins as rotating glass formers are submerged in the latex, where automated systems introduce.
The condoms now enter the curing tunnels, where precise temperature and humidity ensure elasticity. The automated machines seal the products into sterile foil pouches. High-resolution optical scanner.
The automated line rapidly devolves the cart.
Swirls. The rotating glass formers are dipped into the milky white latex, which is blended with precise delay compounds. Here we see the optical inspection stage. High-resolution cameras meticulously check the wall thickness and flavor distribution of every single unit.
Robotic arms precisely strip the flavored condoms before they are rolled onto the conveyors. Sophisticated
robotic arms precisely strip the latex. Advanced optical sensors then check the robotic arms precisely strip the latex. Advanced optical sensors then check the
Laser etching ensures that each foil pouch receives a precise, highly legible serial number and batch code without.
The automated system ensures sterile packaging.
Once sealed, critical data like batch number,
the milky white latex products are securely packaged before AGVs and forklifts carefully stack the cartons.
The automated system applies a tamper-proof seal, followed by a high-speed laser scan for verification and regulatory compliance.
After rigorous testing, the finished product is loaded. Our automated systems ensure every container is tracked.
Once sealed, the containers undergo final security scans to verify batch numbers and documentation. The truck